If you're looking for the best time tracking software in 2026, there are three names you should probably have on your list: Toggl Track, Clockify, and Harvest. All three can track working hours, projects, clients, and billable time, but they are designed with slightly different priorities. In this video, we're going to compare all three across pricing, ease of use, time tracking, reporting, invoicing, project management, integrations, team features, and most importantly, what customers are saying on Trustpilot. And based on the current Trustpilot comparison, I'll also give you my final ranking. Let's get started. Number 3, Harvest. Let's start with Harvest. Harvest has been around for a long time and is particularly well known among freelancers, agencies, consultants, and professional service businesses. Its biggest strength is that it isn't just a time tracker. You can track time, manage projects, track expenses, create invoices, and connect your accounting and payment workflows. The current Harvest Teams plan starts at around $9 per seat per month when billed annually, while the Enterprise plan starts at around $14 per seat per month annually. There is also a free plan, although it is limited to 1 seat and 2 projects. So if you're running a small agency and want to connect your time tracking with billing, Harvest can be attractive. The time tracking itself is straightforward. You can start and stop timers, use timesheets, import calendar information, and track time against projects. You also get project estimates, reporting, expense tracking, and invoicing. That makes Harvest particularly useful when the question isn't just how many hours did my employee work, but how many hours did we spend on this client? How much did it cost us? And how much should we invoice? Harvest also has integrations with services such as QuickBooks Online, Xero, and Stripe. So why is it number 3? The biggest reason is customer sentiment on Trustpilot right now. Harvest has a trust score of just 1.8 out of 5 from 14 reviews, which is the lowest score of the 3. Several recent reviews complain about pricing changes, billing experiences, and difficulties with the free or legacy plans. Now, it's important to remember that 14 reviews is a very small sample, and Trustpilot reviews aren't necessarily representative of the entire Harvest customer base. But if we're specifically using Trustpilot as one of our ranking criteria, Harvest unfortunately comes in 3rd. So Harvest is still a capable product, especially for businesses that want time tracking plus invoicing and project management. But based on the current customer review picture, I'm putting it at number 3. Number 2, Clockify. Now let's move on to Clockify. If you're looking for a feature-rich time tracker with a strong free offering, Clockify has historically been one of the most attractive choices. The current free plan supports up to 5 users and includes unlimited time tracking, timesheets, a timer, auto tracking, calendar functionality, desktop and mobile apps, Pomodoro, idle detection, integrations, team activity, and reports. And that's a lot for a free plan. Clockify also has paid plans. The current basic plan starts at $3.99 per seat per month when billed annually, while standard starts at $5.49. The higher plans add features such as invoicing, approvals, attendance, overtime, GPS, screenshots, more advanced reporting, and security controls. This makes Clockify extremely flexible. For freelancers, it's useful. For small teams, it's useful. For larger organizations, it can scale into more advanced time tracking and workforce management. Another advantage is the breadth of features. You can track billable rates, create reports, manage projects, handle time off, use a kiosk, export data, and integrate with accounting tools. Clockify also offers optional GPS tracking and screenshots on paid plans, which may be useful for companies that need more visibility into field or remote work. But there's a major reason I'm not putting Clockify at number 1. Trustpilot. Clockify currently has a 3.1 out of 5 trust score from 78 reviews, which is significantly better than both Toggl Track and Harvest. In fact, 52% of the reviews shown are 5-star reviews. Customers frequently praise the software for being feature-rich, affordable, and easy to use. And several recent users specifically praise the support team. However, There has also been significant criticism in 2026 around changes to Clockify's free plan. Several long-term users complained that features they previously relied on, such as billable rates and certain reporting export capabilities, were moved behind paid plans. Clockify says the changes were communicated through in-app notifications and were made to keep the product sustainable while maintaining unlimited time tracking on the free plan. So Clockify gets our number 2 position. It's arguably the best value option of the 3 if you're looking for lots of features without spending much money. But yeah, our final winner is slightly different. Number 1, Toggl Track. And our number 1 is Toggl Track. Toggl Track is particularly strong when your priority is simplicity, ease of use, accurate time tracking, and clean reporting. The free plan is available at no cost, while the current starter plan starts at $9 per user per month, and premium starts at $18 per user per month when billed annually. Toggl Track works across web, desktop, and mobile, and it also has browser extensions and integrations with more than 100 tools. You can track time manually or with a timer, use calendar integrations, create projects and tasks, set estimates, monitor billable hours, and generate reports. The premium plan adds more advanced features such as profitability analysis, fixed fee projects, scheduled reports, timesheet approvals, customizable reports, Jira and Salesforce integrations, and single sign-on. Another thing I like about Toggl is that it doesn't try to make time tracking unnecessarily complicated. For an employee or freelancer, the basic workflow is basically choose the project, start the timer, do your work, stop the timer, review your report. That's it. And for managers, you can go much deeper when you need to. You can analyze revenue, billable time, labor costs, profitability, workloads, and project estimates. Toggl also emphasizes privacy and data accuracy, which can be important for companies that don't want an overly invasive employee monitoring system. But here's the interesting part. If we're ranking strictly according to Trustpilot, Toggl doesn't actually have the highest score. Toggl Track currently has a 2.0 out of 5 trust score from 65 reviews compared with Clockify's 3.1. So why am I still putting Toggl at number 1? Because we're not reviewing Trustpilot alone. We're looking at the overall product, usability, features, pricing, reporting, integrations, and the actual experience the software is designed to provide. And Toggl's product proposition is extremely strong if your priority is professional, straightforward time tracking rather than trying to turn the software into an all-in-one workforce management platform. The Trustpilot reviews also need context. Trustpilot itself notes that Toggl has not recently asked customers for reviews, meaning the current review sample may not be representative. Some recent negative reviews focus on support and refund policies rather than the core time tracking functionality. So I wouldn't automatically conclude that Toggl is a poor product because of its Trustpilot score. So let's quickly summarize. Harvest, number 3, best for businesses that want time tracking tightly connected to project management, expenses, and invoicing. It has a strong feature set, but its current Trustpilot score of 1.8 makes it difficult to put higher in this particular comparison. Clockify, number 2. This is probably the best option if you're looking for maximum functionality at a relatively low price. Its free plan is impressive, and its paid plans add invoicing, approvals, attendance, GPS, screenshots, and advanced reporting. It also has the strongest Trustpilot score of the 3 at 3.1, Toggl Track, number 1. For freelancers, consultants, agencies, and teams that care about simplicity, usability, reporting, and professional time tracking, Toggl Track is my overall winner. Its pricing isn't the lowest, but the product experience is polished, and the feature set is strong. If I had to choose just one today, I'd choose Toggl Track. If I wanted the best value, I'd choose Clockify. And if I wanted time tracking combined heavily with invoicing and project financial management, I'd consider Harvest. One final warning. Don't choose software purely based on Trustpilot. Trustpilot can be useful for identifying customer service and billing patterns, but review counts vary dramatically between these products, and unhappy customers are often more motivated to leave reviews than satisfied users. So use reviews as one data point. Then test the actual software yourself. If you found this comparison useful, subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments which time tracking software you're currently using. I'll see you in the next video.